Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Finding an effective way to tackle stubborn pet messes can be challenging for any homeowner. The best rug shampooers for pet stains deliver deep cleaning power, neutralize odors, and restore carpets, making your home fresher and more welcoming every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a powerful solution for pet owners dealing with stubborn stains and odors. Built with the most powerful suction-based ASTM peak air watts, this machine delivers professional-grade deep cleaning results without the need for rental equipment. Its handheld dual-action pet tool, featuring rubberized bristles, is designed to lift pet hair, dirt, and deep embedded stains, making it ideal for tackling everyday pet accidents such as urine, vomit, and mud. The machine's portable, compact, and lightweight design, complete with carpet-friendly wheels and a retractable handle, allows for easy maneuverability and convenient storage, making it perfect for both quick touch-ups and extensive deep cleaning sessions. The dual tank system ensures that clean and dirty water remain separate, maintaining hygiene and improving cleaning efficiency. Beyond carpets, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is versatile enough for upholstery, stairs, mattresses, pet beds, and even car interiors. Its expert engineering and powerful suction make it exceptionally effective at removing odors and deep-set stains, leaving surfaces refreshed and clean. This spot cleaner combines durability, ease of use, and professional-level performance, making it a top choice for any pet owner who prioritizes cleanliness and a fresh-smelling home. Whether you're dealing with small messes or challenging high-traffic areas, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner provides convenience, reliability, and outstanding results in one compact machine. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a dependable tool to keep their living spaces clean, hygienic, and comfortable for both pets and family. Number 2. Bissell ProHeat Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell ProHeat Pet Carpet Cleaner is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning power for homes with pets. Equipped with turbo-strength motor technology, this carpet cleaner provides strong suction while remaining energy efficient and relatively quiet. Its 6.8 amp motor, combined with 12 rows of rotating dual dirk lifter power brushes, ensures deep penetration into carpets to lift dirt, debris, and stubborn pet stains from the surface and deep within fibers. The Max Clean mode enhances its cleaning efficiency, making it suitable for tackling the toughest messes, including stubborn odors like skunk smells. This cleaner also emphasizes convenience and user-friendliness with a long 35-foot power cord and 8-foot hose, allowing you to reach multiple rooms and areas without switching outlets. Beyond carpets, the ProHeat Pet comes with specialized tools for upholstery, stairs, and tight spaces, making it versatile for whole home cleaning. Bissell's commitment to pets extends beyond the machine itself, with proceeds supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation to help homeless animals. The cleaner also features a dual tank system that separates clean and dirty water for more effective and hygienic cleaning. Its professional-grade cleaning performance ensures that even high-traffic areas and stubborn messes are addressed efficiently, leaving carpets fresh, sanitized, and visually renewed. For pet owners seeking a reliable and powerful solution, the Bissell ProHeat Pet Carpet Cleaner combines technology, ease of use, and ethical commitment to animal welfare in one machine, ensuring both effective cleaning and peace of mind.
Number 3. Hoover Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner is an impressive option for pet owners who need deep cleaning with speed and efficiency. Its spin scrub brushes rotate 360 degrees, delivering powerful cleaning action that reaches deep into carpet fibers without causing damage. This ensures that dirt, grime, and pet stains are thoroughly removed, even from high traffic areas. The heat force technology accelerates drying time, allowing users to enjoy dry, clean carpets faster, which is especially important for homes with pets that can track in dirt shortly after cleaning. Its versatility extends beyond carpets. The included hose and tools make it simple to target spots, stains, and hard-to-reach areas on stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. Beyond cleaning performance, the Hoover Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner leaves a pleasant ocean breeze scent, contributing to a refreshed and inviting home environment. This machine is built for convenience, ease of use, and thorough results, providing pet owners with a reliable solution for maintaining clean and hygienic carpets. The combination of powerful brushes, fast drying, and specialized cleaning solutions ensures a professional-level clean from the comfort of your home. With its focus on efficiency, versatility, and pet-friendly performance, the Hoover Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner stands out as a durable, effective, and user-friendly choice for anyone managing a household with pets.
Number 4. Bissell TurboClean Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell TurboClean Pet Carpet Cleaner is specifically engineered to handle tough pet messes in high-traffic areas, small spaces, and delicate carpets. Its 4-row deep-reach PowerBrush roll ensures that dirt and stains missed by regular vacuums are effectively lifted and removed. The cleaner's 2-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, improving hygiene and cleaning efficiency while simplifying the filling and emptying process. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and confined areas, providing convenience without sacrificing performance. Ideal for pet owners who want a reliable, compact, and effective carpet cleaner, the Bissell TurboClean Pet simplifies regular maintenance and deep cleaning alike. With a focus on ease of use, portability, and professional cleaning power, it stands out as an accessible and efficient tool for maintaining a spotless home. For households with multiple pets or high foot traffic, the TurboClean Pet provides dependable results, leaving carpets hygienic, fresh, and visually restored. Its combination of performance, lightweight design, and dual-tank convenience makes it a top contender in the pet-specific carpet cleaning category.
Number 5. Hoover Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Pet Carpet Cleaner, also known as the PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaning Machine, is a compact and powerful solution for pet owners seeking efficient cleaning in smaller spaces. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling and storage, while still providing robust cleaning performance, ideal for area rugs, high-traffic zones, and pet-related messes. The antimicrobial PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll protects against odors while effectively removing embedded dirt and hair, keeping carpets fresh and sanitized. Heat force technology accelerates drying times, allowing homeowners to quickly return to a clean and dry environment, which is especially helpful in homes with active pets. Its combination of portability, advanced brush technology, fast drying, and specialized cleaning formulas makes it an excellent choice for pet owners looking to maintain a clean, fresh-smelling home with minimal effort. For anyone managing everyday pet accidents, high-traffic areas, or occasional deep cleaning needs, this Hoover cleaner provides a reliable, easy-to-use, and effective solution that keeps carpets spotless and inviting while addressing stubborn stains and lingering odors efficiently. All 5 of these top-rated carpet cleaners make tackling pet stains and odors easier than ever. With powerful suction, specialized brushes, and convenient designs, they provide professional-grade results at home, keeping your carpets fresh, clean, and pet-friendly every day.